Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is the art of growing plants and vegetables on a small piece of land. Gardening is mostly done either in the backyard or front space of the house. Some people plant flowers to decorate their garden. Gardening gives us fresh and healthy vegetables. Gardening helps to produce happy hormones in the human body. Gardening is a good way to keep oneself engaged with nature. It also helps in maintaining good physical fitness. Gardening is also good for mental health and peace. Many people prefer gardening as their hobby. Organic gardening, mature gardening, kitchen gardening, etc. are some type of gardening. Gardening is a bounded piece of land which is situated either in the front or backside of our home. The art of planting trees, flowers, grass, shrubs, and vegetables by using fertilizers, small agricultural tools in a limited space of our home, that called gardening. Gardening is a branch of horticulture. Thanks for watching.